Welcome once again to let's do it again. Sorry. Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. And as always, this video is brought to you by our accidental sponsors, Chronograph Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted roasted coffee in the whole wide universe. And they now sell this very nice tumbler. And this tumbler went with us in our trip to Dubai, and it came back in one piece in Aruba without any scratch. It must be made of adamantium, or maybe I'm just super delicate, like a princess pirate watch lover. Watch princess, watch pirate princess, whatever. And as always, this video is just an unboxing video, guys, so just keep that in mind. And the comments that you make in this video will make it into the actual video review of this watch. And this watch is coming from us to FedEx. Let's open it up. Actually, it's already opened. That's not open through screw. And this is coming from a recently re-owned watch company. We've mentioned it before, and we reviewed their watch also very recently. And this is another one of their watches from Dual Watch Co. As you can see there, very familiar now. I think we reviewed a couple of their watches already. And they've not rebranded, but more like relaunched the brand, and they're diving into the more affordable route this time around compared to before. That's focusing on materials and execution of their watches. Now they're trying to be a little bit more budget friendly, and despite such, they're still trying to make sure that they could stand out against the crowd. Okay, so I love their packaging. It's a very nice fabric. And here we are. Okay, so they're calling this one the Lumecore. And very nice. Look at that. Very striking. And look at that amazing contrast on the watch itself. On the dial. You can see the indexes, those really stark indexes. And look at those really skeletonized hands. Very, very nice. Oh, there's a blue AR coating or a purple AR. Blue, I think it's blue. Purple, AR coating. And it's, of course, a chronograph. There we are. VK64 from the feels of it. And, oh, they have a blank case back this time around. They had a decorated case back last time, but this time they opted for a more reserved and blank case back. This is, of course, the vintage case that we've grown to love. They have some quick release spin bars, very, very nice. Okay, the strap is pretty decent. Nothing special. I love the feel of that. Oh, look at that. That suede feel on the wrist probably is going to feel really nice. And you have that very nice texturing on the strap right there. You have a side buckle. Side also, both sides. Pretty neat. Not bad. And we have a steel bezel. Now, as you may have noticed, the dial seems to have that kind of greenish yellowish tint, and you know what that means. Well, many of you might know what it means, but I'm not gonna mention it. I'm going to reserve that for the actual video review. And let's try it on. Let's remove the quadras on the rubber strap this time, right? Let's try it on my 6 1/4 inch wrist, because sometimes people still ask, hey, how big is your wrist? You just need to watch the other videos, guys. Okay, Very nice. You see these kinds of, what is this? Is this a 40? I think it's a 38 millimeter case. I'm not so sure. But this fits my very small wrist nicely, as you can see there. And what is it called? It just says Tool Watch Co. Chronograph. Okay, but I know that it's called Lumecore because in a rare occasion that I actually read the press kit before I did this unboxing. But it's enough for me to talk about. What about you guys? What are your impressions of this Tool Watch Go Lumecore Chronograph? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. And of course, those interesting, funny, or inspirational, or even informative comments will make it in to the actual video review of this watch. Very nice. Oh, look at that thinness. Look at that thinness right there. It's not that thin. Let's be honest there. It's not really that thin, especially when you have like that really flat side. It looks thicker than it should be. Oh, there's some blue plastic coverings there. Let's take that out. Let's see if I can take it out before the video ends. Or am I really just extending this video? So anyway, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think.